Flood warning in effect from early this morning to this afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Perkiomen Creek at Graterford. When? From early this morning to this afternoon. Impacts at 8.0 feet. Park Avenue in Schwenksville is flooded. The Perkiomen Trail is flooded in Perkiomen Township at Plank Road and Route 113. At 11.0 feet, Graterford Road and Penitentiary Bridge are closed due to flooding. At 12.0 feet, portions of Central Perkiomen Park in Collegeville are flooded. Flood waters expand onto and to the west of First Avenue in Collegeville. Additional details, at 12:01 a.m. Thursday the stage was 8.4 feet. Forecast, the river will rise above flood stage this morning to a crest around 11.4 feet. It will then fall below flood stage late this morning and continue falling to 7.3 feet early this afternoon. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 11.5 feet on December 28, 1993. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood